I think this pathway is looking for a variety of different students because there are just so many different types of jobs that are available in computing in our workplace today, that we're looking for students with a variety of different backgrounds and levels and interests. So I really think that almost any student could find their niche in the computer science pathway. I think this program is particularly applicable to the future because we live in the 21st century and everything revolves around technology. And I think having a knowledge of how computers operate gives students an advantage in whatever discipline or job that they decide to go into. So I think regardless of what industry you want to go in, whether it's doctor, lawyer, architect, I think having a background in computer science is very helpful. I think what's interested past students is that they can become creators and not just consumers of technology. So all of us consume technology by using it, but my students have found that they have become creators of technology and that they can create apps, they can create programs, they can create things that do not yet exist, and so I think they find that to be very fun and exciting. There's a variety of classes. Definitely, there's 2 different AP courses within the computer science pathway, one that teaches Java, the other teaches JavaScript and how to make apps. There's a new course that we have started this year called Interactive Computing, where you learn to program robots to complete tasks. And so there's a lot of variety within our courses to interest students. I would say give it a try. I have so many students that never thought that they would like coding or never had an interest in it. And once they take the class and they start learning how to do it, they find that they really enjoy it. And a lot of times they find that they're really good at it.